In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change Instagram story from closed friends to everyone. So if you want to post your story and you want everyone to see it, you don't want only your closed friends to see that. You want everyone to see your story. Now here is how you can do that, guys. To change that, you want to click three little lions in the top right, and then you want to click close friends, and here you can select the people that you want as close friends. This will make sense in a few seconds. Just edit the list of these people, like edit the list here, like add people that you want as your closed friends. Okay, now after you do that, click done at the very bottom. Now next, if you want the next time you want to post a story, just let me show you an example. I'm going to post, for example, this story. Now, instead of clicking closed friends, or instead of clicking here, this arrow, you have to click on your story, okay? Click on your story at the very bottom right. Don't click on these two, click your story, and you will be able to change the story from closed friends to everyone. But in case you change your mind on your next story, you want only your closed friends to see it, you just wanna next time you want to post it, click on closed friends, and the story will be shared only to your closed friends. But if you click on your story, everyone will see it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.